Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Jordan 11 Low by Jordan Brand in the cement grey colorway. It comes in a black and grey Jordan box with university blue Jordan branding and a white Jumpman logo on its lid. Inside the box comes with shoes in white and grey circular checkered pattern paper. No extra accessories are included, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. Put simply, it's a grey and white Jordan 11 Low. It's slightly lighter than the cool greys, and I prefer these with the white color blocking. I love the hits of powder blue on its tongue, heel and outsoles. I would have preferred these as a Jordan 11 high, but then again these still look nice as lows. I stay true to my US men's 10 for these, but the pattern leather upper isn't the most wide foot friendly, so you might want to go up half a size. Overall it's a clean colorway, but it's a pass for me because I'm broke. Honestly, I have no issue except I have rent to pay. As usual, purchase links will be in the YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment granite to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.